How you doing? How you been? What's going on? What's good? How you getting it in? Body getting it funny. What's going on, people? What's going on, people? It is a day of another day. Of another day we call Saturday. Anybody being sad, what's going on, people? I want to talk to you about something. Now, in case you don't notice, on October the 14th, 2016, which was basically yesterday, and this happened on a Friday in Minnesota, Edina. Now, this is what happened. A black man decided to walk around the construction. You know how they have the construction, when they're doing construction work and stuff, and they kind of block off the area and stuff. So basically, he walked around, and he was walking on the sideline. You know, the sideline of the shoulder. So I'm basically reading a little bit of what was said. It said, the video person who videoed this said that a man was walking on the shoulder of the white line on the streets. There was construction, and it was obviously the sidewalk wasn't available. He was hugging the side, he was hugging the right side of the shoulder, you know, the basic, you know, the white side of the road. And as the person witnessed, they noticed that it was an unmarked SUV. And then all of a sudden, the police lights came on. Now, as the police lights came on, he drove in front of the pedestrian and cut him off. As he tried, the police officer tried to change the story and say that he was walking in the middle of the road. Now, we would not know this information is true, but as you'll see, we have a witness, and I'm going to shoot this video over to you so you can see it for yourself. Now, this guy is very upset, and he can't believe he's being stopped. And like, as a black person, we understand his struggle as far as walking, as far as being a target, as far as Black Lives Matter. And let me just say this for the record, because I know I have to remind myself that I have dum-dums on my channel and dum-dums looking on. So for the dum-dums, I'm not saying every police officer, I'm not saying every black man, I'm not saying every nothing. Because I have to constantly say this, and it's so sad that I have to say, oh, for the dum-dums. Because it is not about every police officer. This is about this story that's about to be revealed to you right before your eyes. And I know some people are going to get it, and guess what? Some people just will never get it. Anyway, that being said, I just want to put this out to you, so check this out.
I'm only in white line! 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 You're being an instructor. No, I'm not. You can't just put your hands on me like this. Bullshit, put your hand on. Put your hands over here. God damn! You gonna take me to jail for that shit? Sam taking you to jail. Okay, so can you put your hand off me?
Maybe you could just help show him where a good place to walk is.
Not on the roadway.
I know, I'm saying maybe you could just suggest that he go to it at the other side and help him. Maybe you could just help him know where the right place to walk is.
Ma'am.
And further traffic going over.
Take your hand off me. Yes, I have. Okay. You have. I know my rights. Remain silent. I didn't do nothing. And you got your hand on me. Okay, I will walk somewhere else.
Okay, we've gone beyond that just a little bit.
It's slow. Okay, I will walk somewhere else.
Okay, we've gone beyond that just a little bit.
It's slow. Okay, I will walk somewhere else.
Okay, we've gone beyond that just a little bit.
It's slow.
We've gone beyond that.
No, we haven't. That's bullshit, and you know it.
Okay, why are you being this way?
Because look at the fuck you got your hand on me, folks.
Because
I'm on the damn sidewalk. Fuck you, man.
Dude, this
Come back for what? I remain silent.
Settle down.
Everything's like you to jail, bitch. What the fuck? Bullshit, get your hand off me.
He's scared, sir.
Like I'm doing something to you. You got your hand on me.
It's scary.
Hand on you.
Settle down.
Fuck you. Some hand on me, damn. I already too motherfucking bad. And I ain't got no money to pay for it.
Settle down.
Fuck you.
That language you can't use in this neighborhood, okay?
Okay, well, fuck you.
That language you can't use in this neighborhood, okay?
Okay, well, fuck you.
That language you can't use in this neighborhood, okay?
Okay, well, fuck you.
That language you can't use in this neighborhood, okay?
Okay, well, then I'll keep walking.
Right.
Then I'll keep walking.
Right.
Then I'll keep walking.
Right.
In the neighborhood, why not?
Because we're going to have a discussion about a whole bunch of stuff that's going on right now. What's going on?
Why don't you just help him?
Ma'am, that's how it started. That's how it
No, I watched the whole thing. I just pulled around him and watched you.
I've asked you.
You never tried to help him.
You put your hand on me.
Sir, I'm asking you.
For what? What do you want me to do? Can I leave up sit down?
Just settle down.
All right, I'm settling down. You gonna take your hand off?
Settle down.
I will. When you take your hand off me.
Push me up.
So you gonna arrest me now?
Don't know if we're going there.
No, I got to get Mike and name silent, man. That's bullshit.
But he didn't do anything.
You didn't do fucking shit. My damn bag. It ain't mine.
142
Fuck.
59 and 13 is one.
Can you take your fucking hand off me?
Dude, okay.
Dude, we don't fuck on, man. I'm not doing shit.
He ain't going nowhere.
Fuck on, man.
He ain't
Damn.
going nowhere. He ain't going
Burning
nowhere.
on me like that.
He ain't going nowhere.
Now, you told me to calm down. I calmed down.
He ain't going
Should I
nowhere.
grab my shit? My hands out my pockets.
Hey, you're not making this.
What the fuck you want to talk to me for walking on the damn sidewalk? Bullshit.
No, I don't. 59, 41.
Don't grab on me. Please do not touch me, dude.
The nature of your call.
No, I'm going to jail for this other time.
Okay, I'm not going to ask you that.
Ask me again for what? For what? For what? I didn't do shit.
There's no reason he couldn't just show him where an okay place to walk
I'm
would be.
on the white side of the damn line.
Not yet until I get any request.
I don't have to. I remain silent, man. Fuck you. That's bullshit. You're under arrest. For what? You're under arrest. They're on.
No, he never said that. He never said that. He said he was not.
Under arrest.
You lying.
You could have just shown him where to walk really kindly. You are the one that incited this.
Heavy code 41 detained. Long by 15. 194, I'll continue. 18713 and 2546.
Exercise your right of being quiet.
I just got here.
This
Okay.
is business.
All right. But you put handcuffs on me when you just got here.
Yes, I did.
Okay, that's bullshit. I'm not acting with your point. No point in grabbing me. Can I grab you? That's bullshit, man.
I don't know. I have to check about that. You want to give me your card?
Yeah. Can I get your name too?
Yes. That's bullshit.
I don't know what.
You don't know that you just handcuffed me.
Because you're acting.
How am I acting? For walking on the damn road?
He's scared.
Get down and grab me.
He's scared.
What you want to do? I don't give a fuck.
People die in these situations. It's scary.
Take your handcuffs off. Can I get my glass? Can I have your glass?
Going nowhere.
Yes, right here.
Tired of this.
Yeah, thank you.
Simple.
Can I get my other stuff?
What's the other stuff? That stuff right there?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get this figured out first, okay?
What's on this?
Hey, it's cold out here. Can you put the jacket on him?
I don't know what's happening.
Can you put his jacket on him? Trying to get away
I know,
from
but
you.
you're trying to help people
I know you're
too.
trying to get
Can
away
you
from
put his jacket on?
Just, why don't you step back, take care of your own business.
I'm not nowhere near you guys. Can you put his jacket on
He's
him?
going in the back of the
It's cold.
Why am I going to the squad car?
This is some bullshit.
I know it's bullshit. I gotta make sure. Yeah, I know. The handcuffs are so tight around me. You gotta tighten them more.
This bullshit.
Hey, Derek, bring it up here.
If I hang on to
What's he
this.
going to jail for? Walking in the middle of the street?
He said he wasn't going.
Hey, I ain't giving you nothing.
Hey, I'm Janet.
Hi, dear.
Hey.
What's your face?
Yes. Yep. This is all completely unnecessary.
Jeff, do you have a driver's license on it?
Yep.
Okay, you see that? Now the thing about it is that he got arrested and he's going to jail because he was not walking on the sidewalk. And he was told that he was not allowed to use that type of language in that neighborhood.
Can't use this neighborhood, okay? Can't use this neighborhood, okay?
You know, the thing about it is that I get it that we are living in a time where a lot of this has been going on for years, and we're living in a time that people actually videotaping and let the world see what's going on. Now, my thing is this: how many times, how many unnamed people have been arrested just like this that we don't know about, that there was no video, there was no footage, there was no nothing, or the video was confiscated, or the person's camera was broke? You know, and the thing about it in the video, like the black man was like, no, you're not taking my information. Because the sad part about it is, we don't trust you. In order to build that bond between us, it's going to take a lot. You know, anyway, and I can't say too much because, like I said before, it's not every police officer, because I have police officer friends. And I don't want nothing to happen to them. I have felon friends, and I don't want nothing to happen to them. So it's not about, I don't want to say race and stuff, because everybody's white is not bad, and everybody black is not bad. Anyway, before I exhaust myself mentally with this video, I just want to share this with you. You can't even walk on the shoulder because you are a target, being a black person. And that's the story. And like I said before, those who get it will get it. Those who don't, won't. Anyway, that being said, I just want to share this with you. And for the people who rock it with me, I want to let you know that I love you. And I want to thank you for watching. Catch the rate.